Ethereum cost generally remained at $1,684.21 a coin, or so they in a real sense thought. The present range, $1,678.30. $1,725.04. Yesterday's nearby, $1,691.98, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. The change, 7.77. 0.46%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for later, week and month, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, February 20. Sort of least cost $1,584 in every practical sense. Most extreme $1,822, and toward the day's end, cost $1,703 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. ETH to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, February 21. Genuinely least cost $1,624 in every practical sense. Greatest $1,868, and by the day's end cost $1,746 a coin. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Truly least cost $1,593, greatest $1,833, and by the day's end cost $1,713 a coin, in spite of prevalent thinking. ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, February 23. Kind of least cost $1,733. Certainly most extreme $1,993, and by the day's end cost $1,863 a coin in a sort of enormous manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Truly least cost $1,788 in every practical sense. Greatest $2,058, and by the day's end cost $1,923 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. In multi-week ETH to United States dollars expectations on Monday, February 27. In every way that really matters, least cost $1,769, especially most extreme $2,035, and by the day's end cost $1,902 a coin. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Sort of least cost $1,752, sort of most extreme $2,016, and toward the day's end cost $1,884 a coin in a significant manner. ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, Walk 1. Least cost $1,773, by and large most extreme $2,039, and by the day's end cost $1,906 a coin, or so they thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 2. Least cost $1,736. Lovely most extreme $1,998, and by the day's end cost $1,867 a coin, which sort of is very critical. ETH to United States dollars expectations on Friday, Walk 3. In every practical sense, least cost $1,625, kind of greatest $1,869, and by the day's end cost $1,747 a coin, which is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6. Extremely least cost $1,593, truly greatest $1,833, and toward the day's end cost $1,713 a coin in an especially large manner. ETH to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, Walk 7. Kind of least cost $1,659, essentially most extreme $1,909, and by the day's end cost $1,784 a coin, or so they truly thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 8. Least cost $1,640, especially most extreme $1,886, and by the day's end cost $1,763 a coin in an unpretentious manner. ETH to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, Walk 9. Kind of least cost $1,617, exceptionally greatest $1,861, and by the day's end cost $1,739 a coin in a significant manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, Walk 10. Genuinely least cost $1,617, most extreme $1,861, and toward the day's end cost $1,739 a coin incredibly. In 3 weeks ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, Walk 13. Truly least cost $1,632, for the most part greatest $1,878, and by the day's end cost $1,755 a coin in a kind of significant manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14, by and large least cost $1,588, greatest $1,828, and toward the day's end, cost $17.08 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, walk 15, fundamentally least cost $1,697. Most extreme $1,953, and by the day's end cost $18.25 a coin, or so they thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, extremely least cost $1,711, greatest $1,969, and toward the day's end cost $18.40 a coin. ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 17, least cost $1,633, greatest $1,879, and by the day's end cost $17.56 a coin. In about a month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, walk 20, by and large least cost $1,695, for the most part greatest $1,951, and toward the day's end cost $18.23 a coin. ETH to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, walk 21, especially least cost $1,675, genuinely greatest $1,927, and by the day's end cost $18.01 a coin. United States dollars to ETH today in an unpretentious manner. United States dollars to ETH conversion scale commonly remained at 0.5938 coins per $1,000. Today's reach, 0.5797 0.5958. Or so they for the most part thought. Yesterday's nearby, 0.5910. Incredibly, the change, plus 0.0028. Plus 0.47% in a genuinely significant way. United States dollars to ETH estimate for later, week and month, or so they especially thought. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Monday, February 20, by the day's end swapping scale 0.587 coins, especially least 0.549 and truly greatest 0.631, or so they in a real sense thought. United States dollars to ETH expectations on Tuesday, February 21, by the day's end conversion scale 0.573 coins, kind of least 0.535, and genuinely greatest 0.616. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, February 22, by the day's end conversion standard 0.584 coins, least 0.546, and most certainly greatest 0.628 in an unobtrusive manner. United States dollars to ETH forecasts on Thursday, February 23, by the day's end conversion standard 0.537 coins, by and large least 0.502, and kind of most extreme 0.577, which basically is genuinely